on my feet. So I'm like Anna, or oh no, my name's not Anna. It's Pina Colada. Anna's my code name in case pedophiles come. But anyways, I've been doing some thinking about flying monkeys later, and I think if black midgets, ow, I hit my elbow. Black midgets wore purple vests. They were like exactly like freaking flying monkeys. You know the ones from Wizard of Oz? Like no joke. They're just like they go. And they do whatever that witch tells her, and they're just so stupid. And they look black anyways, so black midgets that wear purple vests are freaking flying monkeys. Like the best theory ever. Oh, hi Ethan, how's it going? Sorry, I had a little crack left. That's a good one. I know, right? Quick, lie on your back, because I got to tie and you got to crack. You know, butt crack? I cracked my own self up. You know what? Science is like making babies. Because you take two things together and you get another one, like, I don't even remember what it's freaking called, but I learned it in bio. So it's like making babies. You stick this in there, and then there comes a brand new bundle of screaming, pooping piece of crap. And just, it's like making babies. And I don't want to do bio, so I don't want to make babies. Yeah, babies annoy me. They're loud and they poop. Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. That's not very polite. The number one? Well, that wasn't very nice. That hurt me deep down in here. In the pit of my stomach. It makes me have to pee. Oh,
you know what else hurts you down there? That!